What's going on YouTube? It's Manny right here. Welcome to the channel. Today I have a very special something I want to show you guys. Obviously we all know that DJI has released the DJI Ronin-S single-handed handheld gimbal a while ago, and they announced it like beginning of January, and it's not only until June that DJI start to ship the Ronin-S, and it seems like there has been a lot of delays on the DJI Ronin-S because of some problems with the gimbal plate, I believe. But anyway, that doesn't matter, because today we have the Ronin-S in hand, ready to open and ready to use. Just collected them today, and we have right here the Ronin-S ready to open at home. Yeah, I'm really excited to get it open, so I'm gonna go home right now and yeah, get them open. Very excited. Alright, so just got home right now. We got our Ronin-S right here, ready to unbox and see what this thing is all about. So let's go. There you go. Slice. Okay. I have to say, this thing is not too heavy, not too light. First impression, wow, this box is amazing. It's all made out of foam, obviously, we all know that already. But let's get to the main thing inside. So lock, you go this way. Wow, well. Alright, what do we have here? I need some time to digest. So we have right here the charger, of course, the release plate, DJI release plate. Apparently this is the problem. This is the one that caused the issue in the previous DJI production, and they replaced it, so we'll see what's different about it. And the blade, the gimbal, the grip itself, the grip itself is not light at all. It's actually fairly heavy. The grip itself, it feels okay. It's not too bad. Let's remove this. We need it. And here we have the tripod. So the tripod itself to keep the Ronin-S upright. And here we have obviously the gimbal itself. To say, so hard to get it out, but I guess it's a good thing. Oh god. Alright, this thing here is not light at all. Comparing to my Zeiss Crane Plus right there, this thing is actually really heavy. Now, I like the idea of having this little strap right here to keep the gimbal in place. It's a nice touch. Usually this gimbal just move like crazy, and holding it can be a pain. Now, I like it if they could do something like what they do with the Osmo, where the camera actually lock in place as you twist and turn it. But obviously I don't think this one does it. No, it doesn't. So it goes maximum to 1 point, and that's about it. But that's not what we want. We want something that's actually locked in place. But still, it's a very nice product, very impressive product. First impression, oh my god, this is nice, I have to say. Let's show you guys what we have in the box first, then we'll go from there. So obviously we've got the box right there. We have the gimbal itself right here. We have the box, the pouch for the cables and things like that, the charger, the plug, plate, the gimbal grip, the tripod, the strap for keeping the gimbal in place, and we have right here the instruction manual for DJI Ronin-S, which is a lot of them to go through. So there are going to be a lot of readings going on in the next few hours or so. Instruction manual. So here's what we have. That's excluding everything inside the pouch, which will have all this thing right here, the plate, the screws and all that, the Allen key. And what else do we have right here? We have the... Now I like this idea of having the pouch, it's really good. Not many other company that does that. So well done to you, DJI, for having this kind of pouch in place so that all your small little tripod mount or whatever mount screw and things like that don't get lost. Good idea, well done to you. So I like the fact that you are doing this. So you basically slide that in and you lock that in place. That's my guess. Or you remove that. Initially that little button right here is all the way here and there's no way you can get it in, so you need to unlock that, push that down there, and then you lock it up by pushing it as hard as you can. So all the way here. So now that's locked in place, we'll get these thing right here balance up on the tripod. My camera on top, so that one's on. Okay, and here we have the Ronin-S balance upright on the tripod. So far, here's what we have. We have the gimbal all set up upright here. Now we need to try and use this or use the release plate underneath right here on my camera to try and balance it, see if it works. Okay, so let's see if it will work without using this release plate right here, because I've already got something at the bottom attached. So if it works, I am going to be so happy. Which I don't think it works. No, it doesn't. It's too big. Right, so before we finish this video up, I just want to say that I'm going to be heavily testing this DJI Ronin-S out in the next few weeks or so. I will be balancing a lot of different lenses and camera combinations on the Ronin-S and really see how well they perform. I have a bunch of different lenses that I can test out. I've got the Sony 85mm G Master 1.4, the Batis 1.8. I will be also testing the 2470 G Master series as well, and also the 7200 f4. I haven't got the 7200 f2.8 G Master, so I won't be doing that, but in the future I might be doing that when I am rich enough to get it. So 7200 for now, the f4, and any other lens that I have, I will try and test them out and see how well they perform on this gimbal. So now I'm going to get back in the drawing board and read the instruction manual and see what we can find, and then I'm going to try and experiment on this and try and get these release plate on my camera and hopefully be able to balance the gimbal. So yeah, I will leave you at that, and I shall see you on the next video. Before we go, I just want to say that this is by no means a comprehensive review or anything serious about this video. This is just basically a quick opening of the video and to see the Ronin-S itself and the initial impression and the unboxing of the Ronin-S and a little bit of an update of what I'm going to do in the future with the Ronin-S, the lens and combination that I'm going to be using on it and things like that. So I shall leave you at that because I'm going to start doing some reading of the Ronin-S and see how it actually works and things like that. So yeah, see you on the next video.